Once you've set up your pipelines and stages to reflect your sales process, we here at Pipedrive wanted to make sure that you have the tools you need to keep your sales conversations fresh. To help with that, we do have a couple of features, one being the contact timeline view, which you can discover more about in the link in this video, and we've also got the deal rotting feature. This basically will highlight deals in your pipeline in red if they go a specific amount of days without any interaction. To set this up, go to your pipeline settings, simply click on the stage you want to set a rotting time for, and set a day limit as follows. For this stage, let's say we have our sales reps cold call our potential customers and we need to contact them within 3 days. Let's now have a look at 3 days later. I see we've nicely moved some deals along the pipeline. We've also lost a few along the way for people who didn't show interest. And looks like we also have some deals still hanging in the first stage who our agents haven't reached out to. The deal rotting feature will display how many days these deals have gone without any interaction, and so it's up to you to decide, do I invest more time and try to reach out to these people, or do I consider them lost? Deals won't start rotting if there's been an activity. This also includes if any of your users are updating information or sending emails, or perhaps adding or completing an activity on a deal. Any of these actions will reset the rotting time. So some of you may be wondering, but why would I need this feature if Pipedrive always shuffles deals with due or overdue activities to the top of my pipeline anyway? Well, that may be enough for you. But what if your next scheduled activity is way far out in the future, and it's part of your sales process to audit deals or run a refresh of the Smart Contact Data feature after a certain amount of time? Or maybe you just like to simply know which deals have been stagnating in your pipeline. Either way, the rotting feature keeps your deals in your pipeline fresh and juicy. So in recap, you can set a rotting time that can be different in each stage of the pipeline. And once no actions have taken place for that set time, Pipedrive will notify you, so you can decide what to do next and what to focus on to make sure no deals fall through the cracks and your sales process speeds up.